Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in this morning. We just have one, Camila. Good morning, Camila. Thank you for tuning in. A special shout out to all the moms who have participated on Friday with the Painting with Mommy. I was very impressed by all the paintings that you guys did, your own interpretation of the flower that we did on Friday. And thank you so much for sending me pictures. It was beautiful. Even the artwork that the kids did was amazing. So thank you again, you moms who participated and sending me pictures. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed your Mother's Day weekend and were treated like the queens that you all are. So again, you all are loved. So thanks again, moms. Let's see who else is on. We have Camila, Juden, Monica, and Soraya. Good morning. Thank you guys for tuning in. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started with our morning today. Let's get started on our routine. I guess even the technology wants to be slow today. Come on. Okay. Let's try this again. And let's get started with our routine for today. Finally.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you.
Good morning, Camila. Good morning, Juden. Good morning, Monica. And good morning, Soraya. Anybody else is on? Let me know. Make a shout out on the live stream so I can give you a shout out.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for tuning in, Shamar. Good morning, Shamar. All right, let's do some number rock. You guys ready?
One, two,
1, 2,
3, 4,
3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10,
8, 9, 10,
11, 12,
11, 12,
13, 14,
13, 14,
15, 16, 17,
15, 16, 17,
18, 19, 20.
18, 19, 20. Let's go! Singing a number rock.
I said,
Let's go! Singing a number rock.
Good morning, Treasure. Thank you for tuning in.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4,
3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10,
8, 9, 10,
11, 12,
11, 12,
13, 14,
13, 14,
15, 16, 17,
15, 16, 17,
18, 19, 20.
18, 19, 20. Let's go! Singing the number one.
I said, let's go.
Singing the number one.
Beautiful job, everyone. All right. Oh, let's do some ABC rock. Ooh, my tummy. I must be hungry. I don't know why. Sometimes I get nauseous in the mornings. I guess maybe hunger.
A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F, G,
D, E, F, G,
H, I, J,
H, I, J,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S,
Q, R, S,
T, U, V,
T, U, V,
W,
W,
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z. Come on. Oh, Lord, we're singing our alphabet. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. We're singing, oh, Lord, we're singing our alphabet. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy.
Good morning, Dollface. Yes. I know church is on. Thank you.
A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F, G,
D, E, F, G,
H, I, J,
H, I,
K,
J,
L, M, N, O, P,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S,
Q, R, S,
T, U, V,
T, U, V,
W,
W,
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z.
Come on.
Oh, Lord, we're singing our alphabet. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. I said, oh, Lord, we're singing our alphabet. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy.
Beautiful. All right. So how many days are in a week? 7. 7. Let's sing our days of the week. Ready?
There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Barney's birthday. Barney's birthday!
But if you have a birthday this month and it's coming up, give me a shout out so we can wish you a happy birthday. All right, so if we have 7 days in a week, how many months do we have in a year? 12. Let's do our months of the year.
January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July. August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July. August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Oh, these are the months of the year. Fill them with joy and with cheer. The months of the year.
talk about what today is. Ready? Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ha, ha, ha. What is today? Today is Monday. What is today? Today is Monday. What is today? Today is Monday. Monday all day long. I'm gonna pet Mocha if I'm ready for Monday. Pet Mocha the bunny if you're ready for Monday. Pet Mocha the bunny if you're ready for Monday. Monday all day long. That's actually my bunny's name. She's just laying down. She's so cute. All right. Shake your maracas if you're ready for Monday. Shake your maracas if you're ready for Monday. Shake your maracas if you're ready for Monday. Monday all day long. Make a mosaic if you're ready for Monday. Make a mosaic if you're ready for Monday. Make a mosaic if you're ready for Monday. Monday all day long. Make mosaic, maracas, mocha, and Monday. They all start with letter M. What sound does M make? M says M says Every letter has a sound, and M says You're probably wondering, what is a mosaic? Well, a mosaic is a type of artwork, and it's an artwork where you use little pieces of like squares. You can make your own mosaics by cutting out little pieces of colored paper, but most times when people make mosaics, they use pieces of, think like glass or gems that are cut up into square pieces. And when you put them together, you make a beautiful painting. So it's like different colors you put together to make something. So let's say I want to make a picture of a kitty cat. I put different colors all around of my little mosaic squares, and I make it into the shape and the color of a kitty cat. So that's what it is. All right, so if today is Monday, what month are we in? We are in the month of May. And what letter does May start with? It also starts with letter M. So Monday and May both start with letter M. And M says like if you ate a delicious giant chocolate chip cookie. Delicious. All right. So this week we have a new letter, and we're going to talk about two different sounds that it makes because it is a vowel. And vowels have short sounds and long sounds. When they say their name, it's long. Okay? So, what vowel do you think we're going to talk about? Now, let's see. We've already talked about the vowel A, the vowel I, and the vowel O. So, we're missing two vowels. It's either E or U because the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So, let's see which vowel it is today. Is it going to be E or U? Drum roll. All right, that was a fancy drum roll. Bam! U. The vowel we're talking about is letter U. This is capital U, and this is lowercase u. Now, the sound we're going to talk about for you today is the short U sound. And short U goes Ready? Short U says Short U says Every letter has a sound, and short U says So let's talk about words that have the short U sound at the beginning. Like Oh, that's a heavy board. Umpire. Umbrella. Underwear. Up. Under. Upside down. Upset. All these words have the short sound. Remember, short vowels have the smiley face up top. When it's the long vowel sound, it has a line. But today we have a smiley face, so we're talking about short U. Let's discuss all the words that have a short U sound at the beginning. Ready? Umpire. An umpire is a person who is like the referee in a baseball game. The umpire is like the referee in a baseball game. And basically what an umpire does is the umpire is the one that keeps the game in baseball going. He's the one that calls all the rules. Now in baseball, you hit the ball with a bat, and the other person on the other team throws the ball to you. So the umpire is the one who determines if the pitch that was thrown to the person hitting the ball, if it was a strike or if it was a ball. So if it's a strike or a ball, and they also determine if someone is out, because in baseball, when you get 3 strikes, you're out. So that person who's in charge of making those decisions is the umpire. So whenever you see the batter, if you watch baseball, the person who's behind the batter, the one getting ready to swing the ball, is the umpire, because he's watching out for the plays to see if it's a strike, a ball, or an out. Okay? Upset. When you are upset, that means you are not happy. So the opposite of happy would be upset or sad. There's a lot of opposites. But when you are upset, that means you are angry. You are mad. What makes you feel mad? Well, I know when people are rude to me, or like I'm going somewhere and somebody cuts me off or like bumps into me rudely and doesn't say excuse me, I know that makes me upset. Or when someone takes something of mine and doesn't ask for it first, that also makes me upset, because all you have to do is ask and I'll let you. But those are different things that make me upset. So think about what makes you upset. So upset means you're mad, you're angry, upset. Upside down. When something is upside down, that means they're not upright, standing up tall. So like this boy, he is upside down. Does your head go on the ground? No, your head goes up, going up in the air, and your feet are what's on the floor. So the boy is upside down because he's doing a handstand, which means he is on his hands. And that's how he's standing, on his hands. So he is upside down. If you have a cake and you flipped it over by accident, now it is upside down. So when something is upside down, it's on the opposite side, it's facing down. Right? Under. Under is a position. So like in this picture, we have a table, but the little dog is under the table. When something is under, it's like it's hiding beneath it. So the dog is under the table. When you see let's say you have a red book and you have a blue book. The red book is under the blue book. It's beneath it. So under is a position that's on the bottom, beneath. Up, up. Up is a direction, and it's when you go north. So what is the antonym for up? It's down. Because remember, antonym means opposites. So if I'm going up and I want to go the opposite of up, I have to go down. So up is a direction going north. What things go up? Balloons go up. When the sun rises, it goes up. When an airplane flies in the sky, it has to go up. So those are all different things that can go up. When birds fly, they fly going up in the sky. Thank you. Thanks, Sonic. So up. Underwear. I know some of you like, ew, underwear. But underwear starts with short U. Underwear is a type of garment, type of clothing that you put on under your clothes. So underwear, that means your panties, your boxers. Those are underwear because you wear them under your clothes. Umbrella. Umbrella is something that you use when it's what? Raining. If it's raining outside, I use my umbrella. I open up my umbrella and it opens up like this, like a dome, to cover my head and my body to keep me from getting wet outside. So an umbrella is what you use to keep you from getting wet in the rain when it's raining. So let's look at all these words that start with short U. Now we said short U says what? Short U says Short U says Every letter has a sound, and short U says like umpire. Upset. Upside down. Under. Up. Underwear. And umbrella. They all have the short U sound. All right, boys and girls. Let's talk about something that we've already been kind of doing in class. We are going to talk about addition. Ooh, that's like kindergarten level, guys. Why? Because you guys are going to kindergarten. You have one more. Well, actually, you got half a month left of pre-K, and then you guys graduate and go to kindergarten. But this is something that you will be learning how to do in kindergarten. But Miss Fonseca wants to go ahead and teach you because I know you guys are smarty tardies. Okay? All right. So, addition. Addition is when you add something, let me see. When you add something, you're putting on more to see how much everything is together. So let's say if I have oranges and I add some apples, I'm putting more all together. So now I have oranges and apples all together. So those are words that we use when we talk about addition. We use words like plus, add, more, all together. Okay? So those are words you're going to hear when it's talking about addition. Okay? So we're going to do addition with the number 0. Now we know that 0 means what? It means nothing. So we're going to see how adding with 0 helps us to figure out how much we have all together. All right? So I'm going to get my markers now because we're going to add. All right? So I got my markers. Let's do some adding. Ready? All right. The first number, number 1. We have 1 plus 0. You see how you hear the word plus, which means you're adding more. So 1 plus 0. So let's solve it like this. Ready? Let's look at 1 first, right? How many is 1? Let's draw one circle. I'm going to draw one circle. Green. I have one circle. Now I'm going to add 0 more. 0 more circles. So if I want to add 0 more circles, am I adding anything? No, because 0 means nothing. So when you get 0, you're getting nothing. So let's count how many dots we have. 1 plus 0. Now we said we had 1 dot. 1 plus 0, we didn't have anything else. So how many circles do we have? 1. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. Because when you have 1 and you don't have anything else, you still only have 1. Next question, ready? How much is 2 plus 0? So let's first put how many dots we have here. Ready? 2, right? I'm going to use the red marker. Actually, you know what? Let's do triangles. I'm going to do 2 red triangles, okay? Because we started off with the number 2. 1, 2. I have 2 red triangles. Now I need to add 0 more. Do I need to add any more? No, because 0 means nothing. So 2 plus 0 equals 2 because we didn't add anything else. So we've already had 2. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. Because we had 2 here. We didn't add any more, so we still only have 2. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. Good morning, Bradley family. All right, let's check out 3. How much is 3 plus 0? So let's say I get my purple marker, right? I'm going to start off with 3 because it's saying 3. So I'm going to add 3 stars. I'm going to put 3 stars, excuse me. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. I need to add 0 more stars. 0 more stars. Do I add any more stars? No, because 0 means nothing. So how many stars do I have in total? 3 plus 0, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 0, because we didn't add anything, equals 3. Three plus nothing plus 0 equals 3 still. So if I have 3 fingers and I add 0 more, I didn't add anything. So that means I still have 3. Next one, ready? How much is 4 plus 0. So let's add 4, 4 squares. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I added 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me, I put 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to add 0 more. So 0 means nothing. So I don't need to add another square. So how much is 4 plus 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 0, we didn't add anything else. So our answer is still 4. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Last one, ready? I have 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. Okay, so I have 5. So let's put 5 first. Ready? We'll do 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to add 0 more hearts. Do we add anything else with these hearts? No, because 0 means nothing. So how much is 5 plus 0? Let's count how many we have together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 plus 0 is still 5. All right? So let's check out what we added today. So remember, when you're adding with 0, whatever the number is first plus 0, you're not going to get any more because 0 means nothing. So 1 plus 0 is still 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0 is still 4. And 5 plus 0 is 5. Even if I do the number like this, even if I write 0 plus 1, if I have 0, I have nothing. But if I add 1, so now I have 1. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. If I say instead of 2 plus 0, I say 0 plus 2. I had 0, so I had nothing, and then I added 2. 1, 2. Now my total is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. If I had 3 plus 0 and I switched it and I said 0 plus 3, 0, I had nothing, and then I added 3. 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. If I had 0 and I added 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 plus 4 equals 4. And if I had 0 and I added 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. So whatever the number is plus 0, it's going to stay that number. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 5 plus 0 equals 5. And 0 plus 5 equals 5. So no matter what way you put that, you're always going to get the same number. So if I have 1 and I add 0, I didn't add anything else, I still have 1. If I had 0 and I added 1, now I have 1. Okay? So that is how you add. That is how you put more when you have 0. So whatever number you had plus 0 is always going to stay the same. Okay? And that's how we do addition with 0. So let's do our sight words now for this week, okay? Our sight words, the same sight words that we had, okay? Are we ready? Up. Repeat after me. Up. We. Where. Yellow. You. Again, ready? Up. We. Where. Yellow. You. One more time, ready? Up. We. Where. Yellow. You. Now let's spell it. Ready? We're going to spell it and say the word. Sound it out. Ready? U-P. Up. 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 W-E. W. E. W. E. We. W. H. E. R. E. W. Air. W. Air. W. Air. Where. Y. E. L. L. O. W. Y. L. O. Y. L. O. Yellow. Yellow. Y. O. U. Y. Ooh. Y. Ooh. You. Remember, O and U makes a oo sound. You. What does it mean to go up? It's a direction to go north. We means yourself and others included. Where is when you're trying to locate something. You're asking where to locate something. Yellow is a color like my thumb. My thumb is yellow. You. When you're you, it's the opposite of me, myself, you. You're pointing to someone else. So let's play How Fast Can You Go? Ready? I'll go first, and then you do it next. Ready? How fast can you go? How fast can you go? We'll take turns, say words we know. How fast can you go? Ready? My turn. Where, you, we, up, yellow. Woohoo! Your turn, ready? How fast can you go? How fast can you go? We'll take turns, say words we know. How fast can you go? Ready? I hope you said up. I hope you said you. I hope you said where. I hope you said we. I hope you said up. I hope you said yellow. If you went really fast, give yourself a big pat on the back. Say, great job, me. All right. Now, let's do our sentence of affirmation, and then we're going to go on to our alphabet book. Ready? Ready? Let's read it together. I am loved. Again, I am loved. One more time. I am loved. Boys and girls, what does it mean to be loved? When you are loved, that means you are cared for. Someone has affection for you. That means you are special and important to someone. So who are we special? Who are we loved by? That means we're cared for. Who are we loved by? Our family, our friends, our teachers, and other people that we may know that love us. So always remember, you are loved. So to always tell yourself, I am loved. Mommy loves me. Daddy loves me. Miss Fonseca loves me. My family loves me. My friends love me. So I am loved. Great job, boys and girls. All right, so let's do our alphabet book for today. Are we ready? Then we got our what is it back. Ready? A, apple. Chew your apple. B, ball. Bounce your basketball and booyah. C, computers. Type really fast on your computers. Send your work. Boop. Turn off the computer. Boop. D, doll. Rock your baby doll. Put her in her crib. E, elephant. Show me your elephant trunk. That was really bad. F, fingers. Fiddle your fingers. Flick a fly. Eat a french fry. G, gumball. Chew your gum. Blow a bubble. Bigger, bigger, and pop. H, helicopter. Move your propeller really fast and safely land. I, itchy. Ooh, what's making you itchy today? Ooh, I feel like there's something itchy. Maybe it's a bug, some type of bug. Okay. J. What are we gonna do? Jump. Haha, you like that? I didn't do it, but my hair did. My hair said 3, 2, 1, jump. K. Keys. Put your keys in the ignition. Start the engine. Vroom, vroom. Today we're gonna drive a monster truck. Ready? Vroom, 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 vroom. L, lollipop. Lick your lollipop. If you have a gummy stick, eat it up. If you have a lumber stick, throw it in the garbage. M, monkey. Show me your baby monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mommy monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Daddy monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think I have a little too much fun with that. N. What is the antonym for yes? No. O. Octopus. Show me your octopus tentacles. Ooh, I think today's a beautiful. Oh no, there's a shark! Swim faster! Ah! P. Pizza. Today we're gonna eat a pepperoni pizza. Is your pizza perfect? Well, I know my pizza is perfect. So if you have a perfect pizza, you're gonna kiss the pizza. Oops. Q. Queen. What are we gonna do? Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. Call was coming in. What are we gonna do? Slay all day. Slay all day. All right. Well, it's important to leave a message. Okay, cool. So we slayed all day, right? R. Rain. Boys and girls, when it's raining, we talked about it. Our letter of the week. What do you need when it rains? An umbrella. Because if not, you're going to get sick. Achoo, 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 achoo. Ooh. Sorry, guys. All right. Ready? S. Snake. Slither like a snake. Da na 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 na. T. Tiger. Baby tiger. Mommy tiger. Daddy tiger. Roar! U. Our letter of the week. Short U sound. What is the antonym for down? Up. V. Vacuum. Vacuum the rugs. All right. Make sure you don't vacuum your friends. W. Window. Open up the window. Oh my goodness. There's a bunch of bumblebees. Shut it. Oh. Oh my goodness. My bird was out. Where's your bird? If you save your bird, hold up. Oh, here she is. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ooh, that hurt. X. Ox. What are we going to do? Ram it. Y. Yeah. And Z. Zipper. Zip your lip. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's do our what is it bag for today. And then after we do what is it bag, we just got to do our number for this week. Okay. Our number for this week. Ready? Oh, okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? Do you know? What is it? What is it? What is it? Do you know? Let's see what's in our what is it bag for today. Ooh. We have an arrow, but which way is it pointing? It is pointing up. So up is the direction going where? North. Can you point up with me? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Good job. What else is in our what is it bag for today? Ooh. We have an umbrella. An umbrella. What does an umbrella do? An umbrella opens up. When you open it, you push it up. And when you push it up, it's like a dome shape that comes over you. Why do we use umbrellas? Well, we use umbrellas to keep us dried from getting wet. And what makes us wet when we go outside? Rain. So we use umbrellas when it's raining to keep us from getting wet. Because what happens if your body gets wet and you go into cold air especially? You can get sick, just like from our alphabet book. So, what do these two things have in common? Umbrella and up. They both start with letter U. Letter U. And what sound does the U make in both of those words? Uh. It is the short U sound. Short U says Short U says Every letter has a sound, and short U says Now, when you have words that begin with the same letter and have the same sound at the beginning, that is called what? Alliteration. Let's sing our alliteration song. Ready? Alliteration game, alliteration game. Listen to the beginning sound, they must start the same. Up, umbrella. They start the same. All right, let's play How Fast Can You Go? Ready? I'll go first. How fast can you go? How fast can you go? We'll take turns, say words we know. How fast can you go? Ready? My turn. Up. Oops. Up. Umbrella. Woohoo! Your turn. Ready? How fast can you go? How fast can you go? We'll take turns, say words we know. How fast can you go? Ready? Your turn. Umbrella. Hope you said umbrella. I hope you said umbrella. Ooh, I got you. I hope you said up. Good job. Give yourself a big pat on the back. All right, let's do syllables. Ready? Syllables, syllables. 1, 2, 3. Break words in 2 parts with me. Up. Clap with me. Up. Stump with me. Up. Whisper with me. Up. So how many syllables does up have? Only 1. Syllables, syllables. 1, 2, 3. Break words in 2 parts with me. Umbrella. Clap with me. Umbrella. Stump with me. Umbrella. Whisper with me. Umbrella. How many syllables does umbrella have? Umbrella. 3. Now, which word has more syllables? Umbrella or up? If you said umbrella, you are correct because umbrella has 3 syllables and up only has 1. And 3 is more than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Great job. Let's do our number for today. Ready? Ready? Pull down straight, and that is all, that is all, that is all you. Pull down straight, and that is all to get the number 1. You pull down straight, and that is all, that is all, that is all you. Pull down straight, and that is all to make the number 1. So when we have 1 and 1 together, what number do we have? We have 11. 1 and 1 together next to each other is 11. Let's count to 11 together. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 as our number for today. Great job, boys and girls. All right. So now that concludes our live stream session, our learning session here today. So boys and girls, your parents should have gotten a new email from me last night with your new name writing and letter of the week on the back. Mine's printed out upside down again. So your letter on the back, letter U. You also got your new homework for this week. So if you all are able to print out the homework and the name writing, please make sure you do that and work on that. If you do not have this, just like how I showed you in the classroom on Thursday, if you have lined paper, you can practice writing your name and your letters and your numbers, writing your number for the day on your lined paper. Okay? So today is Monday. We're going to write our first and last name on Monday. Miss Fonseca. I remember I used my space. My finger is my space. Make sure you use your space and make sure you write neat, boys and girls. 11. Our number today is 11, 1 and 1. So you're going to write them here for Monday. On the back, you're going to practice your capital U's. You just pull down and curve up. Lowercase u is smaller. You pull down, curve up, and then make a little line going down. And then you're going to draw a picture. You're going to draw a short U picture for today. Umbrella. I did an umbrella. That's my short U. So your parents are going to get this on the Remind app. You're only going to draw one of these at the top. Umbrella, underwear, and up. Umbrella, underwear, and up. Those are one of the 3 options you can draw today only. We'll talk about this tomorrow, but today you can pick umbrella, underwear, and up because they have the short U sound. Up. Make sure you go on Waterford for 40 minutes. That means 2 times. When it says stop, go on again, okay? You can do it again together, like go on and be done, or you can go on, take a break and play or eat lunch or whatever you have your schedules like at home, and then go back and go on Waterford one more time. But 40 minutes, okay? Parents, please check your emails for those things for this week. Also, make sure that if you still have not had a house visit, which remember we're not really visiting at this time because of, social distancing and with schools and things being closed. So we have to do them over the phone, through email, Remind, whatever virtual way we can do it. But if you still have not had a meeting with me yet, this week is the last week. And all that data I have to turn in by the end of this week. So please get in touch with me if you have not gotten in touch with me about a date and a time, okay? Thank you, boys and girls, for tuning in today. I love you all. I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Bye, everybody.